And in Sahih Muslim, hadith number 2631, Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Man 'ala jariyatayn hatta tabluga, ja'a yawm al-qiyamah ana wa huwa, wa dhamma asabi'ahu." The Prophet said, whoever raised up two girls till the time they get to maturity, that person will come on the day of Qiyamah, and he and me will sit together. And he described their closeness by interlacing his fingers together. He said, girls, whoever is able to raise up two, not three, not four, only two, then you are able to bring them up well. On the day of Qiyamah, you will have an opportunity to sit closer to Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. In Sahih Bukhari, hadith number 1418, narrated by our mother Aisha radiallahu anha. Aisha said, a woman came to her with two ladies, young girls, seeking for something to eat. Aisha couldn't find anything except a date. She gave it to the woman. The woman broke it into two and distributed among the daughters. She herself didn't take anything, after which they left. When our Prophet came, sallallahu alaihi wasallam, Aisha narrated the story to the Prophet. Then Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said that whoever is put into trial by these two daughters, فَأَحْسَنَ إِلَيْهِنَّ, and the person takes good care of them, he treats them generously without being too much harsh on them. The Prophet said, كُنَّ لَهُ سِتْرًا مِنَ النَّارِ, that two daughters will be a shield for him against the hellfire. Just taking good care of them, the Prophet is assuring you that on the day of Qiyamah, they will be able to protect you from getting into the hellfire. In Sahih Bukhari, hadith number 5353, narrated by Abu Huraira radiallahu anhu. Abu Huraira said, the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "As-sa'i ala al-armalati wal-miskin kal-mujahid fi sabilillah." That the one who takes care of a widow, the one who looks after a widow, and also help the needy, that person is like somebody who is fighting in the cause of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. In Sahih Bukhari, hadith number 5971, narrated again by Abu Huraira. The man came to our Prophet Muhammad and asked him that who among human beings is more entitled to his companionship. Then the Prophet said, Ummuka, your mother. Man asked the Prophet, Summa man? Prophet said, Summa ummuka. After my mother, who is next? Then the Prophet said, your mother. Then he said, after that, who is next? Then the Prophet said, your mother. Then he said again, Summa man. Then he said, Summa abuka. Then your father. 3 times for our mothers, 1 time for our father. So this tells you that for a woman, whether a daughter, a sister, a wife, a mother, she has a high status in Islam.